Okay, yes, another episode. As I talk to you now, there's information on the table at the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works in this country, Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. Ministry of Local Government and Public Works. There's information about Gweru City Council to do with the Gweru City Council or pertaining to Gweru City Council. That there are allegations of serious corruption that is happening in that institution, happening in that organization. There's allegations of mismanagement of assets, mismanagement of resources that is taking place or happening at that institution, at that organization. So as I talk to you now, like I said in another video, in my previous video, or rather in my past video, that the government of Zimbabwe have taken this issue upon itself to investigate or to launch a commission of inquiry on this organization by the name Gweru City Council. So this is a serious issue. It's not a movie. It's not a film. It's not a joke. It's really happening. It's not a drama or a comedy. It's really happening. So anytime from now, any moment from now, any day from now, the Minister of Local Government and Public Works is going to land or descend on Gweru City Council and investigate them. Because of what I've said, number one, I heard of too much corruption happening. I was just reading the news and I came to know about this. Number two, serious mismanagement of resources, serious mismanagement of assets as far as activities or affairs are concerned at Gweru City Council. So just an update that the ministry is coming, led by the Honorable Minister, Mr. Daniel Garo, the one who's responsible for this ministry in Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. Honorable Mr. Daniel Garo and his deputy and his permanent secretary and other representatives from that ministry. They're going to land or descend on Gweru City Council to investigate, to assess everything. A serious forensic investigation, a serious forensic assessment of everything is encapsulated in what they call a commission of inquiry. Yes. So residents in Gweru or Gweru residents, people of Gweru, Gweru people, this coming your way. You're watching me talk, explain about this subject or this issue. Yes, it's coming your way. This thing is coming your way. At the end of the investigation, at the end of the forensic assessment, I hope there'll be better recommendations, there'll be better solutions to solve and correct or resolve the issues happening at Gweru City Council. And these things, I hope and I pray and I believe they're going to work towards the favor of Gweru residents, Gweru people. Yes, when you talk about service delivery, when you talk about this and that, in terms of the responsibilities that are supposed to be done by Gweru City Council on behalf of the Gweru residents, on behalf of Gweru people. You understand what I'm saying? So I hope gonna turn out to the favor of residents of Gweru, people of Gweru. There's the new twist, new update. Ministry of Local Government and Public Works, led, presided over by Honorable Minister Daniel Garo. Mr. Daniel Garo is coming over. He's gonna land any time from now, any day from now, any moment from now. This is genuine news. This correct news from me. Trust in what I'm saying. Trust this information. Yes. What are comments? Write, drop, type in the comments box, comment section. I'll come and check them out. I'll come and see them out. Others, peace out. Sharp.